Hello, this is a tutorial on how to fix Microsoft Flight Simulator X 1316 error. First of all, you need to go onto your boot drive and program files. Then you need to find a folder called install shield information, I think it's called. And you need to rename that name, and I just named it install shield. And there should be another one named uninstall shield. I renamed it. It is uninstall information, and I just renamed it. You need to note that hidden folders may be activated. I can just try to activate it. You go into control panel, map settings, show or display. And you need to press show hidden folders, maps, and yes. Thanks. Please subscribe on my channel. Thanks.